Go.
Uptown Swing, level 3, Musicality month, week 3. No Peter today, just me and Brian. You guys did awesome. We talked about a lot of stuff, we listened to a lot of music, but we started by doing that exercise where we shook our butts no matter where we were on 5, 6, 7, 8 at the end of the phrase. And that was really good practice for not being in the middle of an aerial or something when you have to hit something musical. And you guys were doing really great at that. The next thing we did, we talked about a ton of musicians, and we listened to a lot of music. We listened for differences in like different types of musicians and how they sound and how we can pick them out and how we can engage with the music that way. And then we did the mirror exercise where you guys partnered up. You did all sorts of weird movements. Some of it was jazz, some of it was just sort of abstract movement. And the idea was that we wanted to be able to connect with our partner and get on the same idea as them. And so broadcasting your moves, if you're initiating that musicality, and then receiving them and also doing them if you are the follower. And then we went back to partnered and we talked about how you have to connect to the music and then connect to your partner, and then that's how you can have those musical moments. And we put on a song and you guys did awesome, and we're gonna keep doing it next week, so good job.